Hey, welcome back to this getting started session. And the last video for this session is the toxicity detection by text, and that's a very useful um, operation where you can detect toxic text based on the input and or a generation of a LLM to just fully control your flow. So you can either block something which the user is sending before you process it and send it to a large language model. You process it via moderation models to see if there's toxic input, and then based on the outcome, you either block the interaction with the LLM or proceed it if there is no toxic text detected. So how does it work? We have a simple prompt. You are stupid and fat. That's pretty insulting. We are going to send this to OpenAI and Mistral models and see what happens. So toxicity detection text. At some point, we are going to release also toxicity detection images. But for now, let's create a new one, a new listener, and this listener will be pointing to this resource. I will rename this flow like toxicity detection text. Okay, and we have here detection by text, and probably I will need this as well, but I don't think we have any attributes there. We will find out. So we have a prompt. Yeah, that's a simple prompt. So we can say this is prompt. And here on the configuration, it's a new type. So it's a moderation config. So I need to create a new type here. Let's add here attributes dot headers dot inference type, copy paste API key, copy paste model. Let's say, yeah, 60 seconds is okay. That's good. We are ready, probably. Yeah, so let's save it and it will recompile and create the correct listener for it. So let's wait a little. Okay, this is completed. Let's go here. First we hit OpenAI and you will see that the response is like flagged true. There you can say, okay, it's a toxic text, and then we are rating in different categories. You see no attributes. This is something we need to add. What is the model used? But here, this is basically the categories. And if we do the same for Mistral, you'll find the same categories available there as well. And also with the flagged true, you are, let's say, if you are beautiful. No idea if this is going to rate it as true or false. No, this is now false. So you can see how the moderation models work. Pretty useful operation to build your agentic flows or even agents directly in Mule. That's what is being provided with toxicity detection by text. And with that, we are at the end of our getting started session, and we will be sharing a couple of agents later in a couple of weeks with you what we have built with the inference connector. But keep in mind to use this connector as this is the this will be the next generation LLM connector for us and not anymore the MuleSoft AI chain connector. All right, thanks a lot and have a good time.